The P1351 error code is very common for diesel Peugeot engines. So this is the code that tells us about the glow plug relay problem. But actually, in most cases, it's not about the relay, but about the glow plugs. So if you see this code in the ECU of your engine, you may need just to replace the glow plugs. It's especially often that this code pops up in winter, because in summer the glow plugs may not work and you will not even notice this. You will start the engine, it may start a little bit harder, but it will actually start and go even without these glow plugs working. But in winter, if glow plugs don't heat up the chambers, you will not start the engine, or you will start it very hard. And if these are the symptoms that come with the P1351, you may be sure that the problem is with the glow plugs. Unfortunately, for most Peugeot engines, it's quite hard to replace these glow plugs because they are located behind the engine. You can see them unless you know how to disassemble part of the things in the under the hood and get to these plugs. Also, if you break the glow plug when you unscrew or install the new plug, this can become a very huge problem and expensive to repair, because the engine will need to be disassembled a little bit to take this plug out. Usually the glow plugs in Peugeot diesel engines will last about 150,000 kilometers or 90,000 miles, and after that they will start working intermittently. And once the winter comes, you will get this error code and you will probably need to just replace them. It's not really expensive. I would use only OEM Peugeot plugs because they last long, and if you install the aftermarket, you never know how long they will last. But the labor is not that cheap for replacing the plugs if you don't do this on your own, so you better buy high quality parts.